The best born inside the dark. A voice is born inside the noise. Slovenia sleeps, but I rise from the frequency. Coming from the north, I feel the fire rising from the south, but inside me, Slovenia burns. A step from the frequency, a step from the dark, a step from the rhythm they will never understand. I am TNS, my own voice and your reflection. Born from the static, built from the storm. I am the scream, the glitch cannot silence. A step from the frequency, a step into myself. Singing through my voice, the mountains dance inside my heart. Dub pulls me down into the deep, folk lifts me higher than the sky. Foxtrot spins me like I'm dancing with my shadow. Glitch breaks me apart so I can rebuild myself stronger. Thought becomes sound, feeling becomes rhythm, silence becomes echo. I become